are pleased to show you 2021 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.